2025 Tricycle Camper is unlike anything seen on the road before, a fusion of compact mobility and smart living that turns heads wherever it goes. Its exterior design is futuristic yet functional, featuring a sleek aerodynamic shape with bold LED lighting and a metallic finish that reflects both modern style and practicality. The front has a distinct trike silhouette, while the rear transforms into a compact yet fully integrated camper unit, with tinted panoramic windows and smooth sliding panels. It gives a premium look despite its minimal footprint. The structure is built on a reinforced lightweight frame that ensures balance, and the rear axle extends slightly for extra stability during turns and windy conditions. The wheels are wrapped in all-terrain tires, allowing it to handle city streets and light off-road paths with equal ease. Inside the camper, the space has been designed to maximize every inch. You step into a cozy but cleverly arranged interior featuring a foldable couch that expands into a double bed with memory foam cushions. The walls are lined with modular storage compartments, some of which fold out into a compact desk or small shelves. The mini kitchenette includes a single induction cooktop, a sink with filtered water supply, and a small but efficient refrigerator. Above, dimmable LED lights are installed within the wood-textured ceiling panels, and a built-in fan ensures good airflow. There's even a roof vent for natural ventilation and a fold-out window shade system for privacy and sunlight control. Behind the main living area is a small but usable bathroom section with a portable toilet, fold-down wash basin, and a retractable shower hose connected to an onboard water tank. The flooring is waterproof and slip-resistant with easy drainage built in. The camper supports solar charging with panels mounted on the roof, storing energy in a lithium-ion battery system that also powers the lights, fridge, and outlets for small electronics. In terms of performance, the Tricycle Camper is powered by a high-efficiency electric motor that offers a top speed of around 70 kilometers per hour. It delivers smooth acceleration and torque, optimized for both city traffic and open road cruising. With a single charge, the camper can travel between 150 to 180 kilometers, depending on load and terrain. The regenerative braking system helps extend the range slightly, and its fast charging port can refill the battery to 80% in just under an hour. The ride is comfortable thanks to an upgraded suspension system, and disc brakes on all three wheels provide excellent stopping power. The price for the 2025 Tricycle Camper starts around $14,000, making it one of the most affordable mobile living solutions in the micro camper category. It's aimed at solo travelers, digital nomads, and eco-conscious adventurers who want the freedom of movement without the hassle of big RVs or trailers. It fits into a standard parking spot and can be driven with minimal licensing requirements in many regions. Its lightweight build makes it easy to tow if needed, and many owners even customize the exterior with solar awnings, bike racks, or extra storage pods. Overall, the 2025 Tricycle Camper represents a bold new direction in mobile living, blending minimalist design, electric mobility, and smart interior engineering into one incredibly practical and futuristic vehicle.